Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unplugged, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mark.
Hello, Mark. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look really happy today.
I am. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it's a great one.
Very important.
Exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Mia, are you ready?
I am. So, what's our topic today?
Today, our topic is how to talk about your hobbies in English.
A very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do in a new class, at a new job, or when you meet new people.
It's true, and sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes, so today we'll talk about it and we'll make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So, who starts, you or me?
How about you start? Mia, tell me about your hobbies.
Okay. My turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What's your name?
Okay. My name is Mia. M-I-A.
Nice to meet you, Mia. My name is Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Mark. So, next question. Where are you from?
Ooh, good one. I'm from Canada.
Canada. Wow. I'm from the United States.
The United States, very cool. Do you live in a big city?
Actually, I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet.
What about you, Mia?
Wait, I just said I live in a small town.
Oh, sorry, I meant me. I live in a big city. It's very busy and noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment?
No, it's small, but it's very nice. I like it.
Good. Okay, so we've covered name, where you're from, and where you live. What's next?
How about age? Mark, how old are you, if you don't mind saying, of course?
I'm 28 years old.
28? Okay. And you, Mia, how old are you?
Wait, you're Mia. You tell me.
Oh, right. I'm 25 years old.
25, a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, now for a big question.
I'm ready. What do you do, Mia?
I'm a student.
A student? What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
Wow, art. That's so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and creative.
I can see that. An art student and an English teacher, a perfect team for a podcast.
Love it. Okay, let's see. We've covered name, place, age, and job. What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about family.
Okay, family is a great topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Mark?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Tom, is he older or younger than you?
He's older. He's 29 years old.
Oh, so he's 1 year older than me.
Yes! What about you, Mia? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah? That's a beautiful name. Is she older or younger?
She's younger than me. She's a student too.
Oh, really? What does she study?
She studies music. She plays the piano.
Wow, a music student and an art student. That's so creative. Yes, my family is creative too. My mother is a writer.
A writer? That's amazing. And your father?
My father is a doctor.
A doctor. Wow, a very nice family.
Now, Mia, tell me about your parents. What do they do?
My mother is a teacher too. She teaches little children.
Oh, that's a very important job.
Wonderful, yes. And my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
A chef? Does he cook for you at home?
Yes, the food is always delicious.
I'm jealous. That's so cool. So we've covered family. Now, how about pets?
Pets, yes, I love pets. Do you have a pet, Mark?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. I love dogs. What's his name?
His name is Max. He's very friendly and very funny.
Oh, Max. What color is he?
He's brown, a small, brown, happy dog.
That sounds so cute. I'd love to meet Max. Maybe one day.
Do you have a pet, Mia?
Yes, I have a cat.
A cat. See, we're different. A dog person and a cat person.
It's true. Her name is Luna.
Luna. That's a lovely name. What does she look like?
She's black and white. She's very quiet and very sleepy.
A sleepy cat. That sounds normal.
Yes, she sleeps all day. It's a good life.
It is for a cat. Okay, so now we know a lot. Name, age, job, family, pets. Let's talk about things we like, our favorite things.
Good idea. This is the fun part. Let's start with food.
Great! Mia, what's your favorite food?
That's a difficult question. I like many foods. But if I had to choose one,
Okay, I'll go first. I think my favorite food is pizza.
pizza, great choice. I love pizza too. What kind do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
That sounds healthy and delicious. I like pepperoni pizza, a classic.
Good choice. So, is pizza your favorite food too?
It's one of my favorites, but my number one is pasta.
Ah, pasta. Also a great choice. Very yummy.
Yes. Okay, next. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue is a very calm, nice color. I like it.
Thank you. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green, like the trees and the grass in a garden.
Exactly. I love the color of nature.
That's beautiful. Blue sky and green grass. Perfect.
It is. Okay, what's next? Favorite animal.
Oh, this is easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog.
Of course I know, because of Max.
Yes, dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them.
What about you? Is your favorite animal a cat?
Wait, you're Mia, so you answer.
Oh, right! Yes! My favorite animal is a cat. They're so elegant and independent.
Elegant. That's a great word for cats.
They are. Okay, let's move on to hobbies. The things we do for fun.
Great topic. What are your hobbies, Mia?
Well, I'm an art student, so my hobby is painting, of course.
Do you paint a lot?
Yes, every weekend. It helps me relax. I also like to read books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories. How exciting.
It is. What about you, Mark? What are your hobbies?
I have a few. I love listening to music.
Music. What kind do you listen to?
I like rock music, old rock music.
Ah, very cool. And what else?
I also like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
Soccer. You're very active.
I try to be. It's fun to run and play with friends.
That's great. So you like sports. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedies. I love to laugh.
Me too. Laughing is the best. I like comedy movies and also animated films.
Animated movies are great. So much imagination.
Yes, they're beautiful to watch too.
This is great. We're learning so much about each other.
I know. It's like we're answering how to talk about your hobbies right now.
Yes, we're giving a very long answer, a very, very long answer.
Let's think. What else? We can talk about things we don't like.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. What's a food you don't like, Mia?
A food I don't like? Let me think. I don't like spicy food, very hot food.
Oh, I see. For me, a little spicy is okay, but very, very spicy, no thank you.
Exactly. Okay.
What about an activity you don't like?
An activity I don't like. I don't like waiting in long lines.
Does anyone like that? I don't think so. It's so boring.
I agree. I also don't like waking up very early.
Are you not a morning person?
No, not at all. I like my sleep.
I understand completely. Sleeping is very important.
So, this is a good way to describe yourself. You can say what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, that's a very good point. It shows your personality.
For example, hello, my name is Mia. I'm a student. I like cats and pasta, but I don't like waking up early.
That's a great introduction. Or, hi, I'm Mark. I'm a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
Perfect. It's simple, clear, and friendly.
I think we've covered a lot. Name, where you're from, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
Wow, that's a very good list for talking about yourself.
You don't need to say everything at once.
Oh, no, that's a good tip.
You can choose, maybe just your name and job.
Yes, or your name and hobby. It depends on the situation.
If you're in a class, maybe say your name and why you're learning English.
Exactly. You could say, my name is Mia. I'm from the United States. I like to learn new things.
And if you're at a party, you could say, hi, I'm Mark. I love to paint and listen to music.
That's a great way to start a conversation.
It is. The person might ask, oh, what do you paint? Or what music do you like? And a new friendship begins.
It all starts with, tell me about your hobbies.
It really does. It's not a scary question. It's an invitation to share a little bit about you.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. I've really enjoyed learning more about you, Mark.
Me too, Mia. I learned you're an art student who loves pasta and the color green, and you have a sleepy cat named Luna.
And I learned you're a teacher who loves pizza and blue, and you have a friendly dog named Max.
It was a very successful conversation.
Yes, and I hope it was helpful for all our listeners.
I hope so too. Remember, you can use these simple sentences to talk about your hobbies.
Yes, don't be afraid, keep it simple, and be friendly. That's the most important part.
That's perfect advice. A smile is very important too. Always.
Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow, time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. This was a great chat.
It was. So before we go, we'd like to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English Unplugged, and give this episode a big thumbs up.
alike.
It really helps people find their podcast. And please share it with anyone who's learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes, go to the comment section below and tell us about your hobbies. Just write 1 or 2 sentences.
For example, my name is blank. I'm from blank. Or I like blank. Or my favorite food is blank. Anything you want.
We love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
Yes, it'll be so much fun. Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure. Stay safe and keep practicing. We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Mia.